Hola. God, I don't know what to do anymore. All this luggage, everything in life is weighing me down. I can't do it anymore. I can't go anywhere. I can't do anything. It's all weighing me down. I can't carry it anymore. God help me. Go. All this baggage. Yes, sir. All this stuff, I can't take it anymore. I just want it gone. I can't go anywhere. I can't move. It surrounds and overtakes my life. No, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. Jesus, help me. I can't carry this load anymore by myself. I can't do it. Ow. Actually, I'm gonna pee my pants. Jesus, help me. I can't do it on my own anymore. Go. On my own. God, I give you everything. I give you my past. I give you my present. I give you my future. I can't take this baggage anymore. Free me, Lord. Free me. Show her the world. I can show you. Ready to run out for you. No, don't stop. Okay, I can say I've walked in 10 shoes. I know how. Have you walked a mile? I have walked. How much? Like a mile because his feet are so big. How much do they weigh? Probably about 10 pounds. You're clunking. I am free, yeah. Oh, I have been forgiven. God's grace is with me. Taking all the chains to give me these Timberland boots.
Imagination, life is your creation.